Smart Home, Smart Your Life. KOCOM. Home is where we feel safe and secure and experience the greatest happiness. A place to enjoy more convenience and safety. We sought the ultimate solution that will bring incredible changes to people's lives. The advances in technology allowing us to communicate and interact with our homes via the home system have revolutionized our lives. And at the forefront of it all has been KOCOM. Since its establishment in 1976, KOCOM has been developing and offering a wide range of intercommunication solutions applicable to the housings and the buildings as well as the industrial sectors based on its proprietary digital imaging and network communication technologies. While relentlessly pursuing innovation, KOCOM has launched diverse high-tech products including Interphones, IP Videophones, IoT Videophones, and smart wall pads. And it has gained global competitiveness, attested by the fact that KOCOM has been exporting to 269 clients in 104 countries worldwide. In addition to the smart home system, which is the flagship product, KOCOM's main business areas include AI home security system, LED, SI, and national defense. And it supplies user-centered security and digital network products and services to private homes, multi-dwelling housing, apartment complexes, commercial buildings, national facilities, and more. And now, by the combination of all the emerging technologies in the era of the fourth industrial revolution such as AI, facial recognition, home IoT, big data, and cloud services, KOCOM's efforts are being made to provide improved convenience and safety to consumers. KOCOM is continuing on its path as an innovator, delivering unprecedented and unparalleled smart home technology, products, and services. And working to innovate smart home, smart plex, smart town, and smart hub to make your life more convenient and safer. Plus smart. Plus everything. KOCOM plus things.